Ang cute mo, baby. Thank you. Kadem Franklin. Hello, Kadem. How are you? Hello, Mera. Mera. Ah. It's raining here in Bohol, Philippines. So look at that. It's rain, 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 rain. So this is the flower. This is edible flower. This is bougainvillea. And we have here papaya. Here, opo. Siya po. Opo. Siya po yung magalang gulay po. Opo. And we have here Malabar spinach. Are you familiar with Malabar spinach? And also, I know,